I'm sure we've all seen the dry ice blasting videos on the internet, but I wanted to see, does it actually work as well as advertised? So I bit the bullet and had this guy come into the shop and blast a build that we're in the middle of. Engine, block, frame, body, and today I'll show you just how impressive it was. It's very satisfying to watch, and it totally saved us hours and hours of hard labor.
We're going to be getting this guy dry ice blasted. I've done it once before and I was adequately impressed. Didn't blow me away, but it did work. So we're going to dry ice blast this guy next Monday. We're going to get everything ready and get it all covered up and plasticed out so we can do it in here. And I just wanted to show you guys the state of the body and frame right now. And yeah, we'll come back in afterwards to compare. It's not terrible under here, it's just a lot of grime. So I'm expecting the vast majority to come off. The service isn't cheap. The guy charges $300 an hour to do this thing, and he's saying he's gonna be here at least all day, if not the better part of 2 days. So I'm expecting it to be rather impressive when he's done. But yeah, there we go, yeah, it's just grime. So, the before shot, and we'll come back at you with the after in a little bit. Well, we are ready for the dry ice blasting here. We built this little cocoon, and Monday morning, this thing is getting blasted. Yeah, I thought you guys might just like to see what it looks like before we do all the final work. Very cool. "10 years of producing videos and building these trucks has taught me what works and doesn't. I'm now bringing that to you guys. If you would like a custom truck by Merricks Garage, reach out to us. Go to my website, fill out a form, give us some details about what you're looking for, and someone will reach out to you to discuss your build with you.
Well, we just got everything done with the dry ice blasting, and yeah, overall, I'm pretty impressed. I didn't expect it to get rid of any corrosion or particular heavy rust, but it did get rid of the vast amounts of just road grime and crap. So let's bring you in under here. I'm more impressed with the floor. I mean, it looks fantastic. So this wasn't cheap. It was about $2,500, $3,000 to get this thing blasted, something like that. But if you consider that this is gonna take me and my guys at least 4 or 5 days to get it down to this quality, this is a good deal. Because I charge more than that. So if you are on the fence, let me show you guys the engine. If you're on the fence about whether it is worth doing some dry ice blasting, I have to say that if it is just grime and grease that you're trying to get rid of, then this is going to work phenomenally well for you. If you're trying to get rid of anything else, any big heavy rust spots or corrosion or paint, it's not going to be the best. It was rather dirty work. I'm glad to have someone else do it instead of myself and my team, just because this is not fun stuff, and the amount of prep and cleaning that you do really makes it difficult to justify how much you're spending. But with this, we're going to be able to get right onto framework and start putting this thing back together without having to do a whole lot of cleaning up on our own. For engine reassembly and rebuilding, there is nothing like having a clean frame, and this has made a huge difference. If you look at how everything came out in here, we had a really nice frame surface to just paint, and the engine is looking brand spanking new. So I gotta say, this is a new policy in my shop that if we're doing frame offs, we're gonna be doing a dry ice blasting. This guy, we just rolled the frame out. Let me show you that outside. And yeah, it makes sense to get this stuff blasted. So I'm driving this down to the guy's facility tomorrow, and this guy's gonna get blasted, and we'll have a nice clean frame to work on. So the way it works is it's taking dry ice and a high pressure jet, and so it's just bombarding it with dry ice particles. So there's nothing really abrasive, there's nothing really that's gonna damage anything, and there's nothing left over apart from the dirt that's left behind, which is significant. But it freezes the dirt and then hits it with the dry ice, and so it just kind of flakes off, as you saw in the video. I'm happy with it. It's not cheap, but to get these frames back down to where we want them, there's no other real way apart from a chisel, a wire wheel, and lots of patience, which is going to be more expensive than what I pay to get this done. So yeah, great results. If you want to see a finished build, I'm going to link up here to one of our builds that has had the whole treatment. The frame was done and the engine was swapped, and we finished up the build, and it just looks... So go check that one out, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next week.